guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on haul, and we're back to the regularly scheduled try on hauls. So everything that I have is from Prettylittlething, and this haul I decided to not get any casual clothing. So there's no sweatpants, there's no sweatshirts, there's no jeans, just really cute outfits that you can wear out, pair with some heels, even though you can wear sweats with heels. But I just didn't want to do like a casual haul, so I actually picked, you know, cute going out outfits. So the first thing we're going to start with is the brightest thing on this rack, and that's this lime green neon skirt. So it's a knit skirt, really cute. There's a slit on the side giving a little leg action. So I have this skirt in a US 00, and this is from the petite section. I know they had it in plus size and petite. I don't know if they have it in regular size, but honestly I don't think the length really matters with this skirt, because for it to be petite, it's still pretty long. So I feel like if you're a tall girl, you can get away with this petite skirt. So yeah, I love the skirt. I think it's just so stinking cute, you know, for like a neon look. So to go with the neon skirt, I went ahead and got a neon turtleneck, and this turtleneck is so cute. It goes perfectly with the skirt for a whole little look. I have this turtleneck in a size 0. It's a nice knit material. It's like a jersey material, and then the sleeves ruche up. It's really cute. The sleeves are nice and long. It's a bodysuit. It snaps. It's got a thong butt, so there's no panty lines, and I just think this is just so cute. I'm totally in with the neon trend. I just love neon. So moving right along, I have this pink mock neck top, and this is in a size 0. This is a baby pink long sleeve high neck top. So it just looks like this. Really, almost dropped it. Really cute. I got this top to go with this skirt. So I have a hot pink one, like I have the lime green one, and I got this to go together. I figured this would be really cute for like Valentine's Day, to give like a little pink look. So I have the skirt in the exact same size. This is from the petite section as well, and this is a US 00. Really cute. It has a side split as well, and the skirt is just really cute. It's a nice knit material, so it's really soft, and yeah, I can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. It's not thick, but it's not thin either. It's a really nice material. It's a nice material. So yeah, I got the skirt in hot pink as well. I couldn't help myself. It's like, oh my god, pink or yellow, pink or yellow. Just get both. Just get both. So yeah, I got that. And then next I have this jumpsuit. This is the brown woven collar buckle front jumpsuit, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I have this jumpsuit in a size small, and yeah, it just looks like this. I hope it's cute on, because on the model it was really cute. So yeah, we'll see what she looks like once I try her on. So next I have a matching set. So the pants are like wide leg with a little bit of flare, and these are the black palm leaf print beach flares, and this is a US size 2. It says black, but it kind of looks blue, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it just has like leaves on it, or like, I don't know, some kind of floral print. Really cute. The colors are what drew me to them. So yeah, I got the pants. I also have the top to go with the pants, and this is in a size 2 as well. Really cute. You can wear them together or you can wear them separate. I feel like the shirt is even long enough to wear as like a shirt dress, and kind of pair with like a really cute belt and some boots. That'll be really cute. So yeah, I have this top. It's oversized, it's flowy, it's cute. The colors kind of spoke to me, so I was like, yeah, I think I need you too. So I got that. And then moving right along, I have this shirt dress, and this is the black tortoiseshell belted utility shirt dress. I have it in a size 0, and it's just a black button-up shirt dress, but it's belted, and the belt was really cute. It's like a tortoiseshell belt. So yeah, I thought that was a really cute touch. So we have this dress. Like I said, there's no casuals, no jeans, no sweats or nothing like that. So next I have another dress, and this is the chocolate high neck toggle shift dress in a size 0. So it just looks like this. You can cinch the waist in, really cute. It does have little utility pockets, and it's a chocolate brown. I figured this would be really cute paired with like tan boots and a little bag or something. So yeah, I got this dress. So next I have another dress. Well, what do you know? So this one kind of spoke to me too. It just said it's tropical, you need me, you can wear me over a swimsuit, you can wear me as a dress. So this is the black floral print shift dress, and this is in a size 2. So it just has red and green and yellow leaves on it. I just thought it was really cute, so I had to get it. It was cute. So yeah, just a cute shirt dress, really nice and flowy, really cute. So I have that. Then next I have this snake print set. So these are the brown snake print wide leg trousers, and I have these in a size 0. So they look like this, really cute snake print. Snake print is in. I had to get this set. Every time I'm on the site, I always eye this set, and then they finally had my pants in my size in stock. So I said, why not? So I got the pants, and hopefully the pants aren't super long, because I didn't see those pants in the petite section. So I got the regular size, and then I have the matching top to go with it in a size 0. It is oversized, so that's why I kind of got my correct size. So it's not super big when I tuck it into the pants, but of course you don't have to wear them together. You can wear them separate, but I plan on wearing them together. So yeah, I have the top to go with it. Really cute. These would be cute with those clear heels, or a pair of brown heels if you had some, or tan heels. It just depends. So yeah, I have the top to go with the pants. And then the last clothing item that I have is this dress, and I took the tag off it, but it's like a corduroy material, really cute. It has faux pockets at the top, but then like real pockets at the bottom. I just love it because it ties at the waist. Of course you can use this tie, or you can also put like a wider belt on it. Really cute. I love it. It's on the shorter side. I did try this on already because I actually took a picture in it, but it's really short, so I definitely wear something underneath this dress if you don't want all your goodies to be shown. So yeah, I just love this dress. It's so cute. I don't know if I set the size, but this is in a size 0 as well. So we have that dress, and then I have a few accessories. The first one is this bag. So freaking cute. I love the like one strap look. I just think that's so cute. So it's a black faux crocodile print handle bag. Really cute to just like, it's just so cute. So it opens. It does come with a crossbody strap. If you didn't want to hold it like this, you can wear it crossbodied, and it's just so cute. It's a really cute purse. My phone actually fits in it because I have the XS Max, which is the really big one, and it doesn't fit in a lot of these mini purses, but it fits in here. So you can definitely be able, so you can, you know, if you have like a little card case, some lip gloss, your keys, that's probably all that you need if you're carrying this purse anyway, because you don't want it to like pop open because it is like a little one handle thing. But I just thought this purse was like super duper cute. So yeah, I got this purse. And then I have a few pair of shoes because Prettylittlething has really cute shoes, and I never really look at the shoes, but this time I decided to actually look at the shoes. So the first pair of shoes I have are the clear little mules. Really cute. So yeah, they just look like this. I have them in a size 7. So a 7 in the UK is like a UK 5. So this is a UK 5. And yeah, just really cute clear heels. You can wear these with practically anything. I'll probably pair them with this or this or this or this or this. Like they can go with anything. Next, I have a pair of clear blue shoes. So yeah, these are actually pointy. So they look like this. Just a pair of cute blue clear heels. They're in 7 as well. Really cute. So then the last pair of Prettylittlething shoes I have are a pair of boots. And they're some tan lace-up boots. So again, these would be cute with this dress or this dress or this is a dress. Like, you know, just cute boots that you can wear with pretty much almost anything. So yeah, I got these in a size 7 as well. So yeah, that's it. Those are all the items that I got from Prettylittlething. I hope you guys enjoyed this non-casual haul. And as always, I will list all the items that I have in the description box for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.